Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Iqoo model and Android version so you know which menu names matter. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and close background apps to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings and go directly to Wallpaper and Style or Home Screen Settings. This is where scrolling behaviors live. You need to access the Wallpaper chooser to see live or system options, so don't use third-party launchers yet. Proceed to select the wallpaper you want to lock. You now pick the wallpaper source and inspect the options carefully. Many Iqoo skins label it scrolling or panorama. If you see a toggle for scrolling, switch it off. This forces a static wallpaper. If there's an option to set the image only for the home screen, choose it. Alternatively, pick fit to screen or crop to the current aspect ratio to prevent system panning. Make small adjustments, then tap Apply or Set Wallpaper. This locks the image in place. You finish by applying the change and immediately returning to the home screen to confirm the wallpaper no longer scrolls. If parallax or movement remains, make sure a third-party launcher isn't enforcing scrolling. Switch to the system launcher to test. If that fails, reboot the phone, then clear the launcher app cache and data and repeat the steps. This resolves lingering settings conflicts. If problems continue, choose a different static image. Some panoramic wallpapers for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.